5:45, and I just got a quick massage. And then outside there's the life jackets for kids and towels. There's a Red Frog Run Bar. Onion rings, hot sauce. I'll find that. In it. Here. They didn't eat much of their food, did they?
We had sugar last night. It was good.
I could do stuff, you know, by them teaching me. But once I quit, I quit in '85.
Always change a lot.